What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Drop Lows here. Sun bright as fuck for no damn reason, because no good well is about to go down. Anyways, we here with episode 6. Now, episode 6, I don't know what's about to happen, y'all. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I don't know what's about to happen. I'm gonna tune y'all in because I done started some of this bike tuning, and yeah, I found out I was missing some things on this 85, so I'm gonna let y'all know exactly what's going up, what's gonna happen, and yeah. All right. So I ended up finding out that I am missing something pretty detrimental to the bike, and I did not know. And this could change the whole feel, the whole aspect, the whole response of the way this bike could be acting. Now I'm gonna show y'all what it is. Okay, I'm gonna try and hold the camera steady here, and that damn sure ain't gonna happen. But this screw here and here weren't in the motor. And this is like a power valve adjuster. So the entire time it's like the power valve's been open and on its own, and that might explain that crazy boggage and sluggish feel I was having at first, second, third. I'm gonna go ahead, kickstart it, get it warmed up, and see what's up, and then I'm gonna cut the camera back on and tell y'all what's up. Okay, first off, like, that piece I ended up putting out here, it did something, I don't know. Someone in the comment section, please tell me what the little twist knob on the side, I think it's the throttle valve adjuster, but the 85 finally is turning on, it's doing what I need to. Like, it's responsive, it's catching everything. I think now I got the bike right. $75, man, I think now I got this bike right. Last thing I gotta do, fix this front tire and this brake situation, and learn how to wheelie the damn thing. I'm about to throw the helmet on, get a little acquainted with how this new responsive feeling is going, and yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all back in. We're gonna get a couple wheelies in for episodes.